Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Kamlim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Maoyong Interstate Bus Terminus likely to be commissioned in December this year. Mintadu Pinthornen Farmers and Welfare Producer Organization prohibits dirtying of Mintadu River, and Meghalaya State Planning Board Lambor Malyang expresses concern over recruitment in Assam Rifles. And now the news in detail. The Maoyong Interstate Bus Terminus is likely to be commissioned in December this year. This was told to the media by Meghalaya Transport Minister Dasakyar Lamare. The interstate terminus was inaugurated on the 24th of July this year. Lamare said the commissioning of the bus terminus is likely to take place in December this year, as only 2% of the work is to be completed.
First of all, first thing, ISBT has already been handed over by the contractor. It's with the department right now. But there are still some paperwork which is needed to be completed with the implementing agency, that is PWD roads. Okay. So after that, there will be tenders which will be floated in regards of the canteen, in regards of the stalls, in regards of the accommodation facility there. So after all that, I think it'll take another month or two max. We are expecting by the month of December, most probably we'll be able to operate it. Yeah. So we'll be holding meetings with that, and then we'll be following it up. I know a lot of time has gone by, but then I know because of some constraints and deniable circumstances, we are not able to do it on time. But yeah, I can assure you, maybe most probably by December we will able to start it, operate it. Yeah. There's no such system that has been put up for that. As per now, the government will run everything. Okay, tender floating, even running these stalls and all. It will be run by private organizations, private firms, or individually by the locals of uh, of the East Khasi Hills. But till date, we don't have any, we don't have any decision that will be run, especially when it comes to flying of buses and all. Yeah, so it will be run by the government itself. This is what is the plan for now. But what we are going to do tomorrow or the after that, I think I will tell you then when something happens, if at all something happens. Yeah. 98%, I think 98%. There's still very minor work that is left. Like there are some electrification, which is a very small, very minor work has been done, and it's a kitchen. I think the kitchen of these two canteens, two or three, two canteens, if I'm not mistaken. The kitchen of these two canteens is left to be completed yet, which will that is another 2 weeks. I think in 2 weeks time it'll be done. Yeah, it'll be done. Yes. I will, but not soon. I think because I've just joined. No, I've just joined. It's just been 2 days, so I have a lot to review first. Because transport department is a very vast department, a very hectic department, I must say. So I will have to review it first, or it will take me, I think, 3 to 4 days, maybe a week's time to review all the work that is looked after by transport department, and after that maybe we'll start going for inspections. Not only ISBT, but other operational things of transport department. Yeah.
The Mintadu Pinthornen Farmers and Welfare Producer Organization of Janja Hills today prohibited people from dirtying the Mintadu River in Juwai town. This prohibition came in the form of erection of a permanent signboard beside the Mintadu River. The prohibitory order says that anyone found throwing garbage, dumping of soil and casting nets for fish collection will be fined 5,000 rupees. The order also said if anyone found using chemicals for killing fishes will be fined 25,000 rupees. The order also said that anyone who provides information against the violators will be awarded with cash incentive, which is half of the fine to be paid by the violators. Mintadu River is considered sacred for the Panar people because it is considered the caretaker of Juwai town. The river is revered as it provides water to the paddy fields as a big blessing for the farmers before flowing down to neighboring Bangladesh. The members of Mintadu Pinthornin Farmers and Welfare Producer Organization paid obeisance to God Almighty so that the river continues showing its blessing with its crystal clear water to all the paddy fields of Jowai, so that the farmers will be able to receive a bountiful harvest at the end of the year.
Farmer Welfare Organization ida bo gini san bot ne benta wapen julor ke rep riangi da tho che ini wam hoi likwe gi ile wa tho wam hoi likwe da yo chemi jing e for wastem mok ba khoi daman gua pensi dur ya i da sempat bege wala wan gi da tho ro wam hoi we kila chemi ginu go we do ga wa am trule da bo i kendon ain da yo lu kilang gini san bot wa da yo po le da tho i ke liang ga no chep ginu go no chep ga liar yong ga hap ka wa am tru ile wa du ibu kita kendon wa yo puna no chep ke liar gua ko juga wa am tru da yo chep jing e da ra go di bistik di bilor waro chali da penjot bilor puna dap ke chep ke jur ga doi ka khap nga yo bon sen hop mai e da penjulor go i gistiar gi kar da jet da pia da pra ga li hatori ni te dau te da bakhi ni ke sen da thola thuti kamaling sungut kamara ya em chrup uma da manu ada baisar yang i liju ipor ma ke albarit ite himi ge te ga dur wa i gi nong rep man gi bru go yetli hejo ipor to hidu ka di te wa pun julor go i gali lengkha yang i kham tam ye ges em tu bat ye ges em terci go da man ges em da man gi wa go kentang ku de jo le ne mi sen sistem wat nin ges gi le da de le ne mi go kentang ges em go am tu.
Meghalaya State Planning Board Lambor Malnyang today expressed concern over the tribal recruitment policy in the paramilitary force of Assam Rifles. Speaking to the media, Malnyang expressed concern as only 7 seats has been reserved for Meghalaya. He said 105 has been reserved for Nagaland, 74 seats for Manipur, 75 seats for Mizoram and 7 seats for others. In view of this problem, Lambor Malnyang said he will personally approach the State Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and also the Union Defence Minister.
Kabalingo kalong ba ka headquarter jong ka Assam Rifles kadan hangne hapo nong ba Shillong hapo ka jala ka jongi. Te ladangi compare yakini ki vacancies ka ba ki la dep lupa ban earmark kabasusi kalong ba ka Meghalaya Barokaway ngiyo tang nyotli ki seat lada phipet but nujor ye kiwi pat ki jala ki plan hapo ka North Eastern region kum ka Manipur nanta ka Mizoram nanta ka Nagaland kalai phel shablang khando hangni kapausai ba kadon kajing bambyang ka balance hakaba ki wanra yakni ka recruitment man penrung ye kam sipai ya kabang isai ba ka Nagaland kayo hadu sispa sangut ki seat ki balaj ka Manipur nyop sautuli ki seat ki bakiladep reserve lupa nam tak state ka Mizoram kapoy nyup santali ki seat kiba la reserve lupa nam ta ki tribals te ndre hapo ka jala ka jungi ka basusi kalong ba la reserve tang nyotli ki seat naka khat aspa tam nyo kamut nang long tang di percentage nang long tang point something te ka jinglong jingman philayu i hagini ki snam kiba menta kajing hiran kam kaba ki hon samla kibala nang la start kiba labit nadong sedong bakin bakimi alat ban apply yaki kam umdon lenti bakin yokam te henrei kum kinong elam kadai kabanta bangihap ban wat nang no kalat ngin play nakamanta jungi hon samla kiblan hapo kani ka jala ka jungi tenrei kaba sosi andang ngalawat ya ki rukom pentrikam hapo kaliang jong ki jakatrikam jong sipai lalap ya kani kaba menta ka recruitment ka pathamai kalong kaba ngi sya deprive kalong bangi sya khnyat mangi kum ki jepenrei kudan hapo ka jala Meghalaya te dei namar kata nakaliang gajonga ngan sa tho kerki sha u menteri rangba du jong jela konrad ke sangma ban pensngau ban penrem halo jong kani karukam le Shillong jong ka Assam Rifles na banta ki khana gijungi but tangata ngan sim ya kani ka lat wat ban yakandu ya u Union Defense Minister jongka Sarkar India ban pensngau sha u ya kini kirukom long rukoman kibala khangla nagbanta ki khana samla jongi kibla nang la start ba kidei hok banyo lat lang namar ba sisin bagadon ka headquarter hangni kila dei suya ban consider khambon ngimonge ban compete bat kiwai hinrei lakumno Lade bandon lakum mo sispa vacancy bakin reserve na umta ki khana ki jungi ki badon hapo kana jala tena kaliang ka jonga ngan sa shim mardor yakani ngan sa ra syaka mi jong menteri rangba bat kumju sho menteri katnat bopet yaka defense jong sarkar India.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.